What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm gonna be working on my friend's truck's steering wheel. He just bought this truck about a week ago, or maybe a week and a half ago. By the way, you're gonna be seeing a lot of his truck in this channel. I'm gonna be working on it. I'm gonna be making it a lot better than what it is now. Soon you're gonna see that truck. Stay tuned, because that truck is really nice, and we need to get it ready for Dino's Get Down this year, 2025, November 15th and 16th, 14th and 15th. Anyway, back to the video. What I'm going to be working on is that truck's steering wheel. That truck has a really nice steering wheel on it, so I think the vinyl, I'm not sure what it is. I think it's vinyl or leather. It's unraveling on one side of the steering wheel, so I'm gonna try to save it by taking it apart, taking it off, and re-gluing it. If I can, I would like to save that, because it's a really nice steering wheel. Anyway, that's gonna be today's video. He's not here yet. He is bringing the steering wheel with him. He should be here shortly. As soon as he gets here, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do and how we're gonna attempt to save this steering wheel. So stay tuned. As soon as he gets here, I will show you what we're gonna do. All right guys, my friend made it to my house, and he brought part of the steering wheel. He didn't bring the whole thing. I don't know why, but he brought the most important thing. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to show you what the steering wheel looks like until the next video. But for now, he brought the most important thing, that is gonna be the part that is showing the vinyl, or yeah, it's vinyl. That part was not stuck whatsoever onto the wheel. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what we got on the table. I got the tools, my glue, and yeah, we're gonna get started. But first, take a look at this. That's my friend right there, by the way. You're gonna see a lot more of his ugly face on the videos. All right, cool. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'll show you what we're gonna be working with. And yeah, so this is what he brought me here. This is the I want to say this is the front face of the steering wheel, and you guys see on the back here, it's got a lot of brass inserts. That's where this part attaches to the other part of the metal part of the steering wheel. Obviously, this is the front part facing you, and this is what was unsticking, or it was not wrapped the way it should. And to my surprise and his surprise, there was no adhesive at all. There was nothing sticking onto this part here. Seems like they just molded this piece together like this, and then they sandwiched it between the metal part and this. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to use my scuffing pad. I'm gonna scuff this up a little bit so it can have the adhesive right here. By the way, this adhesive is the best adhesive you can get for any upholstery job. All right guys, as I was saying, this is the best adhesive you can find. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below where you can get that. I got that from Amazon, and again, this is the best of the best right here. I got my scuffing pad. I have a cheap brush here, my screwdriver, so I can open up that lid, and I think I already mentioned this. I'm gonna go ahead and scuff it down. Then I'm gonna apply a good layer of cement to this and this, obviously on the back side here, and then it's just a matter of letting it cure for a few minutes, and then we're gonna stick it together. This is the before. I'm gonna show you how it looks and how I do it after this. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so as you guys saw on that last clip, I applied these cement here. We're just gonna let it cure until it's completely dry. For these to work is they need to be completely dry. If they're wet or kind of moist, it will not stick. Both of these have to be 100% dry. So I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes. The weather is perfect right now. Shouldn't take long for these to dry.
Start the airbags in the front end Very, very excited about that. I was goofing off, checking Facebook Marketplace for projects. I saw a guy parking out 2005 Cadillac, just like mine, all-wheel drive and everything. He said he's going to go to scrap anyway. So anything I needed, $100, $5. Radio, head unit. I've heard people get on it, so this might not work. But I don't want to original control that I might not even need. That's lights. This one, that's fine. So this one, I'm putting that in. It also has a full AC and heater kit in it, which I don't have. I didn't get that whenever Tom had it. I think he might have trashed it, I'm not sure. Either way, he has all that as well, so I might end up going back and buying that from him. Maybe we put the heat and AC in this baby. Didn't think there was going to be room at first because the ACs in the modern cars are huge. Yes, I'm going to put everything else inside. And that our intake is real estate right in there. And then, even more, all the nicer ones have definitely work for the stuff I do, and I usually cut the living hell out of them anyway. But I always like to use the rounded ones. Check this out. On a Ford F100, they have the squared off ones. So, go ahead and go back with those. We got the full thing. Check these babies out. 20 by 10, I think. I don't remember. And then.
All right, guys, here it is. Here is the end result. I was able to save this piece. He wanted to buy another one, but I said, nah, let's just give me a chance to fix it. And I did. Everything looks like new again. All right, so this is what it looks like after I put it together. Now he can go home and just install this back on the steering wheel. I'm gonna show you what the steering wheel looks like once I get working on the truck. That's gonna be a week from now, maybe 8 days from now. And I'm gonna show you the truck. I'm gonna give you the walk around, the walk through on the truck. That's gonna be one of a kind truck again. So this is the end of the video. This was a short video, and I just wanted to show you how to make this work. You don't have to buy another one if you have this problem. All you need is just get that cement, get to work, and get it done. All right. I'm gonna call this video good. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot of videos on that new truck of his. All right. See you later. Peace out.